Beautiful mallard duck. Look at this guy. My goodness, got a green head here, the male. This is a drake. My goodness. Our lighting is just perfect. Look at that. Waters are pretty calm. There's no breeze. And our sun is on our back. You look at the green highlights in his head and the white ring around his neck. Oh, I'll stay right on him. We like that. Yeah, they're getting spring fever. They already went through their mating ritual a little bit. Dipping their beaks in the water and up and down, with both of them with their beaks. That's their little romantic display. And they mated once, and then they swam around a little bit. So everybody's getting ready. They got spring fever. Oh yeah, making those nice ripples there, showing all that green in his head there. That's our mallard. Good, healthy bird. She's not far, she's just a little ways away. She's doing her preening the same thing, so. Alright, well, we'll check on her then. Beautiful duck, look at that, would you? My goodness. Getting everything all cleaned up, good reflection. Oh, wonderful. Oh yeah, he's gonna take a little bath here, just getting everything squared away. Look at this guy. She's coming over too. There we go. Both of them taking a bath now. They're just having one good time there. Look at these two. They're really enjoying it. Yep, got the hen and the drake right here. There we go. Well, they're certainly having a good time. You want to get those feathers all squared away.